everybody, this is your host with Faith and Fishing. I'm back doing what I love doing. That's fishing and spreading the good news. See those turtles just falling there? Hopefully I can catch a fish right there too. I don't know, but we'll see. You'd think that'd be a big bass right there. I'm gonna let it sink and then I'm gonna try to catch it and see what happens. Alright, let's see what we can do. We should get something right in here. That's the first time I saw a duck come out of a tree. I know there's one over here waiting for y'all, so we're gonna catch him. Let's see what happens. Oh, I thought I had one, but there was a tree down there. I bet it's one hiding on the other side of this log. But anyhow, just wanted to remind y'all, no matter what you're going through, if you face it with God and Jesus, you can overcome all things. Just want to remind everybody that man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceedeth out of the mouth of God. So that's my little message for today. Are you eating the word? Because if you're not building up your strength for when situations come, which they will come. Alright, well, let's catch some fish and talk to you when I catch one, which is going to be soon, hopefully. So, what I'm noticing for me is... Got him! Got him! Yeah! Oh, he's a good one. He's a good one. I hope he stays on. Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. Whoa. And we got him. And this is why we do it. That's why we do it right there. That's a nice little fish. And then we release them. So I think I was going to say, for me, casting is similar to prayers. You got to keep doing it. And when they get answered, it's just like catching that bass. It feels amazing. But I notice a lot of time when I'm doing that, you know, sometimes I get impatient. And faith and patience, what I learned from my mentors, are part of the same coin. You can't, well, they're opposite sides of the same coin. You can't have one without the other. So if you have faith, then you have patience. If you have patience, you should have faith. And a reminder to whatever you're going through, that we overcometh every problem through faith. every issue. That's how we overcome the world, by our faith, and our faith in Jesus Christ. I got another mentor and friend, and whenever I'm facing something, he asks me, have you opened your toolbox? I'm like, no. Well, you say, what is my toolbox? The toolbox is the Word of God. And what I'm noticing is a lot of people don't want to open it and listen to it. Or listen to him, not it. Okay, everybody, found some new cover. Let's catch some bass. Got him. Got him. Oh, he's a good one. He's a good one, y'all. He's a good one. He's a good one. Oh, yeah. Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's the personal best for this year right here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And this is why we do it. I hope this is recorded. Yes, it is. Look at that. That is a beautiful fish. I don't know where my scale is. Okay, I got my scale. Let's see how much he weighs. This has to be the biggest fish that I caught all year. And I've caught some big ones. .3 pounds. Let's go. Let's go. Enter. Let's go, big boy. Y'all see that? That's what it's about. Let him go. I just caught a 2-pounder right by the boat. I had my camera off. Oh my gosh. Oh, he got off. Oh my gosh. He was probably about a 4-pounder. I will set the hook harder next time, I promise you that. There goes one. I just had a bite. Oh my gosh, these fish is hitting. Ooh, they is hitting, they is hitting. Y'all see that right there at the boat? I saw him run up after it. Look at that. This is why I do it. Well, not for that size, but just for the love of it.